Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. And I've got new hair and it is indigo mixed with periwinkle. And then in the back it looks very dark, but it's like a boysenberry and it's going to fade really beautifully and then my platinum hair has a really great lavender tint and I am loving it. And today I'm going to be doing a look with a very classic, always sought after, always selling out palette, the Give Me Glow Juicy Olive, to go with my green eyes and my green shirt. This is the palette that got me introduced to Give Me Glow and I just adore it. And I'm going to do a quick look with this and then we'll see what happens. The quick look. Maybe I'll go shopping or to karaoke or who knows what I'll do. I'm going to start with Vodkatini in the crease. And that's really beautiful. It's a great matte. And I have I'm building a collection of Give Me Glow singles. So I'm designing like my own palette. And I don't need a lot of greens because this palette really fulfills all the greens that I could ever really want, need, or desire. And let's make my eyes just pop, super pop with the green. And that will lead us into, oh, it's so hard to decide, into Shaken Not Stirred. Which is a dark shimmer, olive green. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I am gonna supplement this palette with one other eyeshadow that's a single from another company, but you'll understand why. Because I've got so many greens, I need to prop it up with a little something, a little something extra. I just take it all the way across and just layer it up. And that is looking so cool. Let me get a little more Vodkatini over here. So hard to get it even on both sides. But I am living for this look. So we're going to go a little bit into garnish. I'm going to use this is garnish right here. And put it on with my finger. Like I told you, it's a super quick look. It's so beautiful. And it's giving the full green fantasy. But like I said, I'm going to switch it up a little. I'm going to go into this beautiful Tarte gold color, which is called Top Yacht. And it's perfect for this. It's a nice pale gold. I'll go in with my fingertip. Just go in the center. And just brighten it up. It's not taking away at all from the green. Just brightening it up. It just lifts that green into such a beautiful greeny gold. Ooh, I'm about to drop it. I don't want to drop this eyeshadow. It's like gold to me. I know that was terrible. That was a terrible, terrible, terrible joke. Please forgive me. We're going to do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner, and it really pulls the look together. It looks so good, even with this blue and lavender hair. It's so dramatic. I'm going to use a very hard to read color. I can't read what color this is because it's printed like white on lime green, and it's a beautiful bronzy color. I'm going to use for my lips. It's from Jeffree Star. And it's just a beautiful, simple lip to go with this gorgeous. It doesn't take away from the eyes at all. And that's what's important. So I want to thank you so much for being with me while I did this look. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.